Hey, if you've ever wished you could make more money and more profit with your email marketing as an affiliate marketer, then be sure to stick around and watch today's video through until the very end, as I'm about to share with you this simple method that can allow you to unlock multiple streams of income and create more profit as an affiliate marketer without any additional work. With that said, if this is your first video, my name is Misha Wilson, and over the course of the last few years, I've done over $15 million in total sales. And one of the core things that I've used in order to drive my business results is email marketing. And the strategy that I'm going to share with you here today is one of the strategies that has allowed me to do just that. With that said, if you get value, don't forget to let me know in the comments section below what your biggest takeaway was. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon notification button so that you're notified when I do more videos just like this. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in.
Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams.
All right, so what we're going to be talking about here today is how to create more profits, how to unlock multiple streams of income with your affiliate marketing business, and how to kind of add diversification through, once again, the power of what I'm about to share with you. Now, full disclosure, full disclaimer, and full warning, I should just say, right? I do not recommend this strategy to anyone who is brand new. If you are brand new in the internet marketing world, the single thing you should be focused on is choosing one business, one product, one service that you believe in, that you want to promote, and that most importantly, the marketplace actually wants. And then you need to figure out how to get to the six-figure mark within your business selling just that one thing. All right, if you start to try to add in multiple streams of income and multiple products and adding in this and adding in that before you ever really understand the basics and the core fundamentals of direct response marketing, what you'll be doing is spreading yourself thinner and thinner and thinner and thinner instead of focusing on essentially narrowing your path to success to hit your goal faster. If you look at, the point between point A and point B, the fastest line or the fastest way to get there is a direct straight line. And when it comes to the online world, the fastest way to get from 0 to 6 figures is by focusing on one thing, and instead of going on a zigzag path, focusing on going on one path to success. So full warning, I do not think this is something for someone who is brand new. But with that said, I wanted to create a piece of content for people who might be seeing success, might be at the six-figure mark, might be wanting to scale their business, might be wanting to add more diversification. And then of course, for the people who are going to be there 6 months or a year from now, if you're brand new and just getting started, and of course, follow the process. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive in. What I want to talk about here today is a strategy called offer stacking. All right, so oftentimes as an affiliate marketer with email marketing, what people will do, and I've done this for years myself, and it works to a certain extent, but what people will do is they'll sign up and they'll have an email list and they'll get started with one program they really like, and then they'll literally just promote that exact same program over and over and over and over again for years upon years upon years upon years, right? And they'll either do that or they will make the other mistake of promoting what we call competing programs, right? So as an example, let's say they get started with program number 1 or product number 1, and then they promote, product number 2, which is literally kind of the exact same thing as product number 1. It's just a different company with a different name, but it's kind of the same thing, right? It's maybe an opportunity, it's a business opportunity, etc. And so their list is constantly looking at, well, God, this opportunity or this opportunity, they're promoting both opportunities. Which one should I get started with? Which business is better? And instead of creating a sense of certainty in your audience that this is the absolute best vehicle for you to take, you actually create a sense of doubt, because then your audience is looking at all the various different offers saying, God, which one's right? I like this here, I like this here, I like this here. And oftentimes what can happen when you do this is you can make front-end sales, right? You can make quite a few front-end $7 sales, $27 sales, whatever it might be, but your audience will never have the core belief and the core conviction that this one thing is the right thing in order for them to allow themselves and give themselves permission subconsciously to buy more and more and more products from that same company. The people who will make the most sales on the back end and create the most profits within opportunities as affiliates are the people who promote one core thing and constantly tell their audience that this one core thing is the best thing for this reason, for that reason, for this reason, for that reason, constantly coming at it from different angles to create that confidence within the customer base that then allows them to buy higher ticket programs in the future. All right, so the question obviously becomes, well, if I'm not supposed to promote the same thing every single day, and if I'm not supposed to promote different competing programs, what do I promote? And what I want to talk about here today is something called offer stacking. So what you want to do is you want to look at your core business, and then you want to say, what else can help the person within this core business? So as an example, let's say someone gets started with a business opportunity, right? What else do they need? Well, probably at some point in time, they will need a sales funnel builder, right? So you could sell ClickFunnels as an affiliate. Probably at some point in time, they will need an email autoresponder. So you could sell Aweber as an affiliate. Probably at some point in time, they'll need to be able to track ads, right? So you could sell a tracking solution. If the program talks about solo ads, you could sell ClickMagick. If it talks about, Facebook ads or something else, you could sell a more advanced tracking solution, something like Hyros as an example, as an affiliate, right? But what you constantly want to be doing, another perfect example is traffic. And we'll get right back, but everyone who gets started in the online world, they're going to need traffic at some point or another, no matter what the actual vehicle or business opportunity might be. And so if you can find someone and work a deal out with them and say, hey, you sell traffic, right? You sell solo ad clicks as an example. I will send you my customers, give me a cut for every single sale that, I send you. Once again, you're immediately stacking up various solutions for the one core business. And so what then happens is your prospect sees over and over and over again, okay, they're promoting this one thing. This is the one thing they believe in. The confidence and the certainty and the conviction within your prospect's mind is built that this thing is the right thing, so that when they buy that thing, they'll buy more than just that first thing. They'll buy the second thing, the third thing, the fourth thing, the fifth thing, the sixth thing, the 10th thing, which of course equals you making more commissions as the affiliate, but simultaneously, you are making commissions through promoting, ClickFunnels or any other sales funnel, builder. I like ClickFunnels because it's hands down the best, but maybe an autoresponder service, Aweber, whatever that other thing is, you're creating additional streams of revenue, additional streams of income, and at the end of the day, more diversification, because if a business has more diversification, once again, more revenue streams, if one of them gets taken out for any reason, you're still good, you're still in business, while at the same time not planting seeds of doubt within your prospect's mind about that one core vehicle. All right, so very simply put, don't just promote the same thing over and over and over again. Definitely don't promote competing products. Obviously, I have affiliates. Look, I don't care if you promote my stuff. I don't care if you promote the next person's stuff. I don't care what you promote. You should promote what works best for you and what you believe in most, and that's truly how I feel. But no matter what you promote, all right, if you decide to not promote my stuff and promote someone else's stuff, I want you to stick with it, and I want you to promote that other person's stuff long term and focus on that one thing, while once again adding additional offers in an offer stacking manner, in a way where you're helping to solve that next problem or provide that next solution that your customer will need if they're in that one core vehicle. So with that said, if you got value out of today's video, as always, let me know what your biggest takeaway was in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon notification button so that you're notified when I do more videos just like this.